So you or someone you know is in some legal trouble. You were arrested and charged with a crime, but what kind? You know it was either a felony or a misdemeanor, but what's the difference? And what does it mean for your future? Today, we'd like to discuss the difference between a misdemeanor and a felony. Misdemeanor versus felony. Misdemeanors and felonies are two classifications of crimes that states use depending on the type and seriousness of the crime. A charge becomes a felony if it is punishable with hard labor. Misdemeanors are not punishable with hard labor. Misdemeanors. Misdemeanors are the lesser of the two. Some examples are petty theft, driving under the influence, and certain drug offenses. Misdemeanor crimes can be punishable with fines and/or up to a year in jail. Jail sentences are usually done in local or parish jails rather than state or federal prisons. Prosecutors usually have a great deal of flexibility when it comes to deciding what to charge, what the punishment should be, and even the kind of plea bargains that'll be offered to the defendant. These cases go to trial as normal. The defendant is allowed an attorney and may be appointed one if he or she cannot afford one. In misdemeanor cases, the defendant can only have a trial by judge. Felonies. Felonies are the most serious crimes. Examples include grand theft, certain sex crimes, and murder. Felonies are punishable by more substantial fines and prison time for over a year. Sometimes they even carry the death penalty. These sentences are usually carried out in state or federal correctional institutions. Some states require a prosecutor to get an indictment by a grand jury before charging a person with a felony. Most felony trials are jury trials, although the defendant can choose to waive the right to a jury trial and choose a judge trial. The defendant is still allowed an attorney and is appointed one if one cannot be afforded. More serious crimes, where life in prison or the death penalty is possible, will use a 12-person jury. Being convicted of a felony also has consequences even after being released from prison. Many felons are not allowed to vote, own firearms, or secure a job in certain fields. Now that you know the difference between a felony and a misdemeanor, we hope you're better prepared to fight your legal battle. Being charged with either one is very serious and could have major consequences for the rest of your life. Fortunately, you don't have to go through it alone. If you're looking for a lawyer to help you with your case, visit our site for a free consultation. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.